Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to unsilence notifications in iPhone. Let's start! So, did you notice on your iPhone when you're getting notifications, this normally happens when you're either, on lock screen or you're probably doing something and then, there's just notifications that's actually showing up. For those who are not aware, so I'll just show you here some sample simulation from Apple support. So yeah, if you're on lock screen, this is what you are supposed to see for notifications or like call them banners. They would pretty much like show up like that. So say for instance you don't want any of these, you just need to go to your settings. From settings, you look for phone and then choose notifications. So say for instance if you would want to edit, say if you don't want to, if you want to silence or sorry, the tutorial is about unsilence like notifications. So yeah, so when you do this, when you turn it off, you won't be able to receive notifications, okay? And then if you do this, this is pretty much how you unsilence notifications. So if you would want to edit also guys on how your banners would look like, there's also a way that you can do that. If you would want to, no, not look like, but when it would appear rather on your iPhone. So if you would want your notifications to appear such as in ways of notification center, if you want to have it like banners or if you want to have it in lock screen, you could also do that as well. So yeah, you could pretty much customize on how you want to be notified, and this is one way of unsilencing it if there's such a word. But yeah, this is like if you turn this off, and then this is how we would turn it on. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. Please hit on like. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.